Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clean your Toyota Prius engine. First, prioritize safety by ensuring the engine is cool and the 12-volt battery is disconnected. Gather your supplies, including an automotive-specific degreaser, a soft brush, and plastic to cover electrical parts. This preparation is crucial for a safe and effective cleaning process, protecting vital components from moisture. Now, let's tackle the grime. Apply your chosen automotive degreaser evenly across the dirty engine surfaces, focusing on areas with heavy oil and grease buildup. Let it sit for approximately 5 to 10 minutes, allowing the powerful formula to break down the dirt. Then, use a soft bristled brush to gently agitate and loosen any stubborn deposits, preparing them for removal. After scrubbing, it's time to rinse. Use a low-pressure water spray like from a garden hose to carefully wash away the degreaser and loosen dirt. Be very mindful to avoid direct water contact with any covered electrical components. Once rinsed, use compressed air to blow out water from crevices, or wipe down surfaces with a clean, dry microfiber cloth for thorough drying. With the engine clean and dry, carefully remove all the protective plastic coverings from your electrical components. For an extra touch, you can apply a non-silicone engine dressing to plastic and rubber parts, giving them a fresh, protected appearance. Remember, a clean engine runs more efficiently and makes it easier to spot potential issues during routine checks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.